Alright guys, Snake here with another garage sale haul. Now, I don't really think this haul is worth videoing, but I'm doing it anyway. So, one good find was this lot here, and this is a Wii U lot, which the Wii U's are actually very hard to find, and they go for quite a bit of money online. A lot like this, probably with about 7 or 8 games, which I'll show you in a second, plus a bunch of Skylanders, which we sell individually. And all these little Skylanders platforms, they don't really sell though. But a lot this size with controllers, the tablet, which you can see right there, probably close to 200 bucks online, especially with all the games. Let's see what we have here. We have Nintendo Land. Never even heard of that. Let's see. This was free, by the way. They threw that in. Now, Mario Kart. Obviously, anytime you get Mario Kart, that's definitely a good deal. Let's see. Just Dance. I didn't actually check the games. Oh, Skylanders. Sorry. I don't really think these go for very much, but see, another Skylanders. Trap Team. Okay. Another Just Dance. Let's see what else we got here. Lego Superheroes, Marvel Superheroes. And another Skylanders. We'll probably do some kind of Skylanders lot with these Wii U games and these platforms that they go on. Try and get rid of them. But yeah. So there's a couple controllers in here, and obviously the unit's pretty clean, so happy about that. Bunch of other couple things that are really not worth anything, but anyway, so that was a good find. That was one that we were waiting to find out here, and I've been yard sailing for years, every Saturday for years, and this is the first Wii U that we've come across, period. So it's good news. We grabbed that up. And then this bag here, or this bin, I guess you could say, it's more stuff for the house. We did buy this for the business. By the way, that Wii U is staying with us. We didn't have one for our game room, so that is staying with us. Skylanders are being sold though, as you guys already know. Here's some kind of charging brick for something, I don't know, Sony, but these usually go for anywhere between 10 and 20 bucks, maybe more, depending on what it's, what it goes to. We don't know yet. We'll have to look up the model number, but it was free. So free, let's go. This we bought for our own couch, and pretty much everything we bought here is for us today. Nothing for the business. This was also a good find for us. We are huge Walking Dead fans, which a lot of people are. And as you can see, we got a bunch of Walking Dead characters, which is a really, really awesome. And some old ones too, from back in the day. Yeah, is that Rick? That's Rick right there. Let's see. Who's this? That's Daryl. Right there. And then there's, there's Michonne. I don't have to go through all these with you, but we got probably about 25 different characters. This guy was collecting them and got rid of them. We got the whole lot for 15 bucks, which is not bad. And this is also going into our movie room. So anyway, and my wife bought some body wash. So not a big haul, but we did find a couple things out there. This was great for us. So that's why I wanted to make this short video on it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Until next time.